What's up guys, this is Dalam Gaming and today I'll be showing you how to download the latest version of GTA 5. So let's get started. At first you need to download a Utorrent and please install it. Link will be in the description. And then go to the App Gamer, link will be in the description, and scroll it down. And if you have to go to internet at your home, please click on download. If you don't have, you should go to torrent download. So I'll be choosing torrent download and open the torrent. I have already downloaded this, so I don't need to download it again. So I am clicking on no, and go to the setup. After downloaded, just go to the setup and install the GTA. Click OK, and again click next, and I have already installed this, so I don't need to install it again. So I'm cancelling it. Yes, and after installing it, please open the launcher and enjoy the game. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel.